Plants and algae, as producers, are essential to the survival of the marine ecosystem, serving as the pillars that hold up the food chain and protect animals through their services. Marin County is home to numerous marine autotrophs that each have an important role in the environment. Algae is the umbrella term for photosynthetic, primarily aquatic, and nucleus-bearing organisms, the most common ones being brown, red, and green types. Instead of using roots, algae use holdfast to anchor to rocks and other surfaces. Sea lettuce is an edible green algae frequently found in tide pools in rocky areas such as San Quentin Beach, serving the role as a sponge to control algae blooms. Cladophora, also known as hair algae, thrives in high intertidal splash zones and can withstand long periods of air exposure. Some examples of brown algae can be found in Chinacamp State Park all the way to Duxbury Reef tide pools in Bolinas. Rockweed is characterized by its buoyant air bladders, which keep it afloat, and forked branches that allow for productive nutrient absorption. Kelp is a branch of large brown algae. Bullwhip, in Marin County and most of the Pacific, is the most common native kelp. However, there is a presence of other types, like feather boa kelp. Kelp forests act as the rainforest of the sea, providing food and shelter while also reducing erosion. As for red algae, Polysiphonia and Cryptopleura lobolifera are two species that can be found. Coral reefs in the Bay Area, found in the deep ocean off the shore of Duxbury Reef, heavily rely on red algae to fortify the reefs through the secretion of calcium carbonate. Marine plants aren't as common as algae in both diversity and biomass. However, they still hold an important role within the ecosystem, both in the water and out of the water. Pickleweed, or Salicornia, is found out of the water, though it feeds on saltwater and is typically found in salt marshes. As a pioneer species, pickleweed is essential to the salt marsh habitat, especially to the endangered harvest mouse. Seagrass is a special plant, as it is the only flowering marine plant that grows and lives submerged in saltwater. The primary seagrass in the Bay Area is eelgrass, which takes the role of a nursery, supporting fish who lay their eggs within it before they venture out of the bay. Unfortunately, as a result of poor regulation, seagrass has continuously been losing 7% of its area every year since the 1930s. Coastal development, boat activity, and pollution from urban runoff and neglect from humans put not only eelgrass, but numerous marine species at risk. Bullwhip kelp and rockweed are especially in danger due to rising sea temperatures and drier winds from climate change. Much can still be done to protect these essential species that the Marin County ecosystem greatly depends on for function.